Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
Okay, so normally I make you videos to show you things about QuickBooks, and sometimes I make videos to kind of help accountants figure out things. Like I'm not going to be the person who pep talks you and tells you how you can make $1 million, except for in this video where I make believe pretend that we're going to make $1 million. But I'm currently working on some stuff with ChatGPT where I'm like entering my draft and asking it to fix my grammar and asking it just like, is there anything I'm missing? And you get the idea, right? Just brainstorming. In the process of brainstorming, I realized that I can have ChatGPT read this information aloud to me. This allows me to sit here, to close my eyes, and just to hear what my client is going to hear. That's been incredibly helpful. I wanted to show you what this looks like without showing you the thing that I'm working on. And so I had ChatGPT take a draft that I made, and I'm like, can you make this more absurd? And ChatGPT is like, of course I can. So what I want to do is just show you what this looks like, right? You know how ChatGPT works, or if you don't, there are plenty of videos on it. What I want you to see is how helpful it is to have it read your message aloud to you so you can hear it and just pick out anything that might be missing or anything that sounds funny but reads fine. Okay, so let me go to the bottom. To get this started, I just need to click on this little speaker looking thing.
Absolutely. Here's a more absurd and humorous version. Subject: a wild proposal for cleaning up your books. Hi. I hope you're doing well and enjoying life to the fullest. Yesterday, I sent you a video where I dazzled you with my...
All right, I'm not going to make this video super long. I don't want my editor to have to deal with that. You can read through it and see the silly message that I'm putting together. You can also kind of get the idea of how this could be helpful. Maybe you can use this to kind of fix up your grammar, and you can, draft your proposals or at least your email cover letters before they go out. Maybe you can do stuff like ask it to be silly or ask it to sound more like your voice or whatever the case is. So this is just me showing you a thing that I'm using to kind of alleviate my concerns that what I'm writing doesn't make sense. It makes sense to me because I can hear it, and when I hear it in someone else's voice, then I know, yep, I'm conveying the words that I mean to convey. Okay, any questions, any video ideas, let me know. My sweet spot really is QuickBooks, but I'm always happy to help you with whatever I can. Okay, thanks.